Nutritionists warn. Why you should not eat while sitting in front of the TV. Worldwide quarantine, which had to be introduced due to the dangerous COVID-19 disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus, did two things: it drained pockets and added extra pounds to the sides of all the inhabitants of the planet. A sedentary way of life is of little use to anyone. Therefore, doctors recommend more carefully refers not only to the amount of food, but also to how and where you eat food. It turns out that eating and watching your favorite series, either on TV or in front of a computer screen, adversely affects the figure of a person. Hunger and the amount of food consumed depends on a large number of factors. This was reported by the site RusJeff. Nutritionists prohibit eating from a computer or TV, not because it is uncultured. Distracted by the work or plot of the film, a person eats a lot more than necessary. The process of eating should be fun. Distracting attention to the screen, a person does not notice how full. This works on a psychological level. Doctors call one of the basic rules, to eat only at the table, chewing food slowly and carefully and enjoying the process. As it turned out, what a person sees plays an important role in the process of eating. Therefore, nutritionists recommend enjoying the look of your meal and figure out by eye how much they ate, realizing that this portion is quite enough to saturate. Doctors recommend during a period of low mobility not only to gradually reduce portions of food. In order to fool yourself, use plates of a smaller diameter and volume. So, the serving will seem to be huge. The deeper the plate, the more portion you can put in it. There is another good psychological trick: buy yourself a plate of blue, gray or black. The doctor recommends, no matter how surprising it sounds, but these colors reduce your appetite. If you have plates of red or orange, you will never suffer from a lack of appetite. These colors kindle the urge to eat. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.